I don't know, man. I'm very like, I have mixed feelings about this shoe. It's like, yo, like sometimes you know how sometimes you look at a girl, you be like, yo, she's fire, and then on other days you look at her and you like, damn, she don't really look that good. That's me with this shoe, man. That's me with this shoe. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, man. So look, if you guys are new to the channel, go down and hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below what else y'all want to see on the channel, man. But anyways, we are back today with another sneaker review. I posted on Instagram, do y'all want this video tonight or tomorrow? And like, y'all was just going straight tonight. Today was a nice day outside. I ain't gonna lie, it was like 80 degrees in New York. Your boy just got the fresh cut. And I'm sweating. I'm still sweating, even though it's nighttime. And you know, we got the baby blue brim on today to match, you know, the video, the aesthetic. You feel me? But anyways, quick little breakdown about the release. I didn't hit on sneakers. I didn't hit any online. I hit one off Dick's Sporting Goods. But I did get a couple pairs in store. The results weren't what I expected. I expected to get a lot more pairs, but for some reason my Foot Locker account didn't hit, and like my main account and my brother's account didn't hit, so I was only able to secure like a good 3 to 4 pairs. Shout out to my boy Glenn. He assisted me 2 more pairs, like literally assisted me 2 more pairs for 180 each. So big shout out to you, my boy. And yeah, man, so overall I ended up with, you know, a good amount of pairs. But that was just how my release day went. How y'all release day went, man. And I had to drive all over the place. Like I'm in like Westchester, Bronx area. I try to, you know, stay inside my area, but they sent me to Connecticut, they sent me to Jersey, they sent me to a bunch of different places. They sent me to Manhattan. Like I was like, instead of being like, you know how there's like a circle right here, they had me going around the circle, bro. Like it was nasty. And I didn't really hit any at, you know, stores that I really go to. But it is what it is. On to the next release. Like I can't really dwell on it. I was dwelling on it all day yesterday because like I was just generally confused. Like I seen people, like everybody hitting, but except me. So it is what it is. On to the next release, you know what I'm saying? And we gonna be alright, man. We gonna be alright. Next release Saturday on the 13th. Should have brought y'all with me today to do the pickup vlog, but I just figured wasn't in the mood. But it was really nice out, so I did end up, you know, I'm in a good mood right now, you feel me? But without further ado, let's hop into the review, man. So as you guys already know by the title, it is the Jordan 4 University Blues. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about the sneaker, man. When I first, you know, seen the shoe, I thought it was gonna be like the classic ones. The PE with the, you know, the Tar Heel on the checker shits. I'm gonna drop the picture up. Like that shoe is so fire to me. Like the midsole on this pair has a cement print, but on the PEs for the college, like it has, if you guys know like UNC jerseys on the side and their shorts on the side, it has like this diamond patterning, and it's so fire. And this shoe right here didn't even include it, so I was really like disappointed. But let's jump into the box, man. The box right here is pretty cool. It has the white and baby blue up here, as you guys can see, with the Jordan Jumpman with the flight on the bottom. Usually it comes, Jordan 4s come in this box. This is the GS pair, and it came with the OG box with the cement print on the bottom and the black lid, you know, red Jumpman, flight, whatever. But this one, they did the white and baby blue for university, you know, blue. And the box is a little bit different as well. As you guys can see on the inside, it has the baby blue. So it's overall a good looking box, can't lie, but it's just a Jordan box at the end of the day. Right here is the size tag. As you guys can see, this is a size 9. So I'll be bringing you guys an on foot on them. The color code reads University Blue / black. I don't know why they didn't have white on it or gray, but you know what I'm saying. Retail on these was $200, and the retail on the gray school pair was $150. But yeah, man, you know, Jordan brand, they hype up the price when it's like a special colorway, I guess, because regular Jordan 4s is $190. Without further ado, let's hop into the unboxing, man. So we're gonna flip open the lid, boom, move it to the side. First detail is the elephant print, cement print paper on the inside. Damn. So lifting it open, you have the sneakers, man. Woo! Right here. Yo, it looks so clean on camera. I don't know why it looks so clean on camera. I personally, I don't know, man. I'm very like, I have mixed feelings about this shoe. It's like, yo, like sometimes you know how sometimes you look at a girl, you be like, yo, she's fire, and then on other days you look at her and you like, damn, she don't really look that good. That's me with this shoe, man. That's me with this shoe. And yeah, that's just basically what it is. My first impressions, everything. With that being said, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick, you know, B-roll to get all the details on the sneaker. The suede is pretty nice on these, and yeah, just give you guys all the breakdown, do the B-roll. Y'all take a good look at the details if y'all want to compare the fakes, reals, whatever. So let's cut to that, and then I'm gonna come back and break down the colorway and the full review, man. So let's cut to that. Ooh, all right, so coming back from the B-roll, hopefully you guys got a good detailed look on the sneaker. I do have to say I really like baby blue, so you know what I'm saying, and I like cement, but I don't know if it mixes really well. I'm getting too much into my personal opinion, so we're just gonna jump into the colorway breakdown, man. So overall with this shoe, I'm gonna put this box up here. The main color on this shoe is university blue, you know, baby blue, whatever you want to call it. That's what the sneakers is called, you feel me? That's why it's baby blue. And it's around the whole upper. This is one of my favorite colors, but around the whole upper. Same thing on the netting on the outside, the medial side, and the lateral side. Also, they have the netting baby blue on the tongue, and the tongue is also baby blue as well, as you guys can see. That goes up. The detail that they added was the cement print, so you guys can see the cement print on the wings, on the heel tab, and as well on the other wing on the inside. The eyelets right here for the lace holes is in black, and yeah, that's basically everything. Right here, the midsole is in that cement print and white, and then followed by the black over here, ending with the toe of the, I guess, the outsole being in that gray. Now if the outsole it looks nice, you know what I'm saying, like Fords is my favorite model, so I'm kind of like biased on how much I like this silhouette. But yeah, on the outsole is white, baby blue, gray on the back, black right here, and baby blue right here. Now with that being said, one of my main takeaways from the sneaker that I disliked is the Jordan tag right here, the Jordan flight tag. It includes this jersey thing right here, the jersey tag on the side. They included this on the Oregon 5s as well on the back. It reads Team 23, quality product inspired by the greatest basketball player ever. I feel like they didn't have to include that detail, but they did. And then on the inside, right here, it says Air Jordan. It should be upside down. That's how the fours come. And the Jordan Jumpman on the inside is in baby blue with baby blue laces. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that pretty much breaks down the whole colorway of the shoe. It is pretty clean, but I don't know, just some details of the shoe just throws it off for me. And yeah, that's that. Now, with that being said, the materials used on this sneaker is pretty unique. It's an all suede upper, and the suede on this sneaker is pretty nice, man. Like, it's pretty buttery smooth on it, I can't lie. Like, this is probably one of the best suede used. From even, like, I don't know, I didn't get a pair of Hyper Royals yet. When I get them, I'm gonna do, you know, do a review on them. But this suede is really nice compared to the Raging Bulls. This one is definitely better. Like, it's a lot softer. But yeah, basically suede, regular midsole right here with the air unit in the back in gray, rubber outsole, and basically everything else is just plastic wings, plastic heel tab, plastic eyelets. So yeah, that's just how it is. And the netting is, of course, is plastic as well. But that pretty much breaks down the whole material breakdown and colorway breakdown. Now let's talk about sizing. As for sizing for Jordan 4s, I would suggest always going true to size. That's what I do. If I'm a 9, so I get a 9 in these. But you can go down half a size if they fit a little bit too big, because Jordans overall do fit big. So I would suggest going true to size, and they fit a little big, just go down half a size. Then they'll fit like perfect, because Jordans are a little bit like bulky and big. So that's just generally how it goes for sizing. Now, as for comfort on Jordan 4s, Jordans typically are not your most comfortable sneakers. Like, they'll get the job done. They got an air unit in the back, you know what I'm saying, but they're not that comfortable. It's kind of like fake, like heavy and like brickish. Yeah, but so comfort, I'll probably say like 6.5 or 7 out of 10 for comfort, even with the suede and the cushioning that they have on the tongue and everything. And yeah, that pretty much breaks down the whole shoe. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick little on feet because this is my size, so you guys get a quick little look at them, and then I'm gonna come back, break down the resale predictions, and give my final opinions on the sneaker, man. So let's cut to that. Alright, so coming back from the B-roll of my on feet, hopefully you guys got a good look, man. Hopefully y'all like the style. Threw on a pair of jeans for this one. Maybe I should do something else too, but y'all let me know how y'all feel about the style down below. Now quickly, let's just jump into the resale prediction of this sneaker. Right now, this shoe is doing pretty well in the market, which is why I was pretty bummed, you know what I'm saying? Like, this was supposed to be like, I was supposed to secure the bag on this release, and I didn't. You feel me? Like, my boy Sniper Kicks would be disappointed in me. He probably got like 50 pairs, but that's just what he do, you feel me? That's just what he do. And I only got my hand on a couple pairs, man. Like, I think 5 total. Sold some already, so you know, it is what it is. The thumbnail gonna be fire, but retail on these is 200, so it's above like regular retail on a Jordan 4, but you're still flipping these right now for like 350. Like, I think StockX is going for like 350, so that's like a good profit margin, you know what I'm saying? Like, you making like 100 something over. I do think that the price is gonna decrease though. I think it's gonna drop to like you know, high 200s, hopefully, man. Hopefully low 300s, high 200s. And if you're looking to invest long term into the sneaker, I would suggest buying them at like 280, 290 ish. I would suggest like passing on buying them for now. I know some people have been buying them for like 350, 320, but you know, that's just what it is. If you're, you know, want to make profit on these in the long term and bulk buy, whatever, you know, I know people do that. Personally, I don't. If it's not a great deal or I don't have a sale lined up, I don't really do that. But there's what it is. That's just my resale prediction. I do think I could see these going to like 400 range. GS sizes are going for like 250, 260 ish right now. If those hit 200 or like under 200, I'll probably pick up personal pairs, like a couple pairs to hold on the side myself, because that doesn't hurt too much. That's like a retail Jordan, you feel me? But that's just my resale prediction. Now to wrap things up with my final opinions, like I said, I do think this shoe is clean, but I don't know, man. I honestly don't know. Like, I still have mixed feelings about this shoe, and it is clean though, I do have to say, but I don't know if it's like my style. I don't know, man. So yeah, it's just a big like I don't know with this shoe. Like, it is clean, but I feel like it's just like a piece that you put there, because the original pair, the PE, is OD. Like, that pair that pair is disgusting. I'll wear the shit out of that pair, but this pair, I just feel like you just put it there and it looks good, you know what I'm saying? It's like a case shoe. I wouldn't really like rock these outside. Maybe y'all say, yo, he got no drip, but it is what it is, you feel me? Jesus Shuttlesworth. But that wraps up this video. Y'all comment below how y'all feel about the sneaker. What are your thoughts? How your release date went, and how you think resale is gonna be, man. I personally think you should sell these now and pick them back up, but that's just me. Y'all got on me last time for the UNCs, and y'all tried to murder me because I said to sell them when it was $475. Now they have $410. But y'all tried to murder me for UNC ones, but it is what it is, you feel me? That wraps up this video though. It's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, and I'm out.